Word Processing Test Preparation Part 1. Question 1. Create a new blank document. We choose the File tab or File menu, and we choose New and Blank Document and answer our question. Question 2. Save this document to Z using the file name Show. So we're going to go to File, Save As, Browse, choose the Z folder here and type over the file name Show. Click Save. Change the Word username to Jim Brown. In the File tab or File menu, we go to Options. We type over the username Jim Brown and click OK. Question 4. Switch to the Print Layout view. In the View tab or View menu, we go to Print Layout and we choose that option and answer. Next, question 5. Zoom the document to 105%, also to the View menu and to Zoom, and we type over 105% here, click OK. Where should you click to display the ribbon? The ribbon is underneath the menu bar or these tabs here, starting with File. The menu bar is underneath the title bar, then comes the menu bar, and then comes the ribbon. At the moment it's hidden, so you right click on any of the menus or tabs, and what happens is you will see this instruction and you unclick the collapse the ribbon menu and the menu returns just like here. By the way, the menu contains different groups like the font group here, the paragraph group here, the styles group, the editing group, the clipboard group. To open any group, you click on the arrow to the right hand corner of that group, which will open a separate window with more choices. Question 7. Hide non-printing formatting marks in the document. These are these marks here, which show us where we have line breaks, etc., carriage returns. They won't print, but to hide them we go to our Show Hide menu. Just one click will hide them. Question 8. At the top of the page, enter the word Smith to the right of John. So we scroll to the top of the page, we find John and we type in the word Smith. Answer. In the paragraph beginning, if possible, enter the word parking between the words the and garage. So we scroll to the paragraph beginning, if possible. I have it highlighted here. And we go to the two words the and garage. We click in the center and type in parking. Make sure there's a space on both sides of the word parking. Answer. In the paragraph beginning, there will change the word customers to guests. So here's the paragraph here. Paragraph is 2 or more lines. 1 line is not a paragraph. 2 lines, yes it is. 3 lines, yes. So our question was to change the word customers to guests. So we can double click on the line here, customers. It will highlight and we'll type in guests and answer. Use the appropriate command to find all occurrences of the word the. Enter the number of times it occurs after the text. Enter number here, so it goes into this box here. Now I just go back to that. Right, now so we go to our File menu here, and on the left hand side we type in the word the and we have 9 results. So the number 9 will go into the box we saw previously. Question 12. Copy the word Smith from the top of the page. Place it to the right of the words Dear Smith. So we copy the word Smith from the address here and we paste it here next to the right of the word Mr. So it reads Mr. Smith. Answer. Apply italic formatting to the heading Jim's Sporting and Outdoor Goods. So we highlight this heading and we click on the italic button. Change the color of the heading Jim's Sporting Outdoor Goods to color of your choice. You can highlight the heading choose a color of your choice. Change the font color, any color. Capitalize each word in the text beginning John Smith and ending in Dorchester. So it's the name and address here on the left. So we highlight the whole lot, name and address. We go to the two A's, a large A and a small a together. It's called change case, and we choose capitalize each word, also known as title text. That will give us a capital J, capital S, capital N, capital R, etc. Apply Tahoma font to the text beginning John Smith and ending Dorchester. Same name address. So Tahoma font. So we highlight and we choose Tahoma here or Tahoma from the list of fonts. Click answer. And here's Tahoma. Click answer. Now change the font size in the paragraph since to 12 points. So we scroll to the paragraph here, since, and we choose 12 points from our font size drop down box. In the paragraph beginning there will start a new paragraph with a sentence beginning we at. So we go to the paragraph there will and we find the next sentence is we at. So we click before the we and we hit enter to create a new paragraph. In the paragraph beginning we at, we delete the word luxury. We can double click in the middle of it into text and delete that word. Question 21. Apply a first line indent of 1 centimeter to the paragraph beginning since you. So we have the since you paragraph highlighted here. We go to the paragraph group. Like I said earlier, we click on that corner arrow. It opens this paragraph window here. And we want a first line indent of 1 centimeter. So we type in 1 centimeter here and we choose first line from this drop down box here. Click OK. Apply a 6 point before spacing to the paragraph beginning since you. So same paragraph, we highlight the paragraph. Now we go to the spacing rather than the indents here. Spacing is here. Tabs is down here. So we go 6 point here before and click OK, which will answer our question. End test.